Why? What can you do? Why?
My hobby.
It's your hobby.
Yeah.
Ah, I see. So you practice a long time.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Okay,
All right, come on.
go. Let's see this. Mm. そんな早くないですよこれ
You can pick grapefruit quicker than this. Too slow. Too slow. You have to be speedo, fast, quick when you do this.
There we go, there we go, look at that. Wow, that's like a minute. Very good, excellent.
What time?
I think it's like 1 minute and 20 seconds. That's brilliant. Crikey for that. He's not happy with that.
I can never do this.
Never do this.
I try sometimes, but
Wow.
I fail.
That's cool, man. That's really cool.
Yeah, have a beer. I just can't believe he did this. How do you do this?
Cool.